Chapter 7. Seven Sisters of India. Brahmaputra, the lifeline of the seven sister states. The Brahmaputra River is one of the most significant water sources for the northeastern states of India. Originating from Tibet, it flows through Arunachal Pradesh and Assam before entering Bangladesh. The river supports agriculture, transportation, and livelihoods for millions of people in the region. It is also prone to annual flooding, which, while causing destruction, also enriches the soil with fertile alluvium. Majuli, the largest river island in Assam. Majuli, the world's largest river island, is located in the Brahmaputra River in Assam. Known for its rich culture and heritage, it is home to several Vaishnavite monasteries called Satras. The island is a center for Assamese traditions, art, and classical dance forms. Due to erosion, Majuli's size is shrinking over the years, leading to concerns about its future. Despite the challenges, it remains a major tourist attraction, offering a serene environment and a glimpse into Assam's vibrant history. Mavasyanram, the wettest place on earth. Mavasyanram, a small village in Meghalaya, holds the record for the highest annual rainfall in the world. Located in the Khasi Hills, it receives over 11,800 millimeters of rain yearly due to the monsoon winds from the Bay of Bengal. The unique topography and wind patterns cause heavy rainfall, making it a lush and green paradise. The region is famous for its breathtaking waterfalls, caves, and living root bridges. The heavy rainfall shapes the local lifestyle, with residents using thick grass and bamboo to protect their homes from moisture. The seven sister states of Northeast India. The seven sister states, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura, form a culturally rich and geographically diverse region in Northeast India. These states are known for their unique tribal traditions, lush green landscapes, and diverse flora and fauna. The region shares international borders with China, Myanmar, Bhutan, and Bangladesh, making it strategically important. Despite being connected to the rest of India by the narrow Siliguri corridor, the region has a strong cultural identity. Arunachal Pradesh, the largest state in Northeast India. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in Northeast India, covering an area of 83,743 square kilometers. It is known as the land of the rising sun because it is the first Indian state to witness sunrise. The state is home to diverse tribal communities, with over 26 major tribes and numerous subtribes. Its landscape is dominated by mountains, dense forests, and rivers, making it an ecologically rich region. Arunachal Pradesh does not share a border with Bangladesh. Arunachal Pradesh is surrounded by three countries, China to the north, Bhutan to the west, and Myanmar to the east, but it does not share a border with Bangladesh. Unlike Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram, which have international borders with Bangladesh, Arunachal Pradesh is more strategically positioned along the India-China border. This has led to geopolitical significance, especially concerning border disputes with China. The state's remote location and rugged terrain make it one of the least accessible regions in India. Sikkim, the brother of the seven sisters. Sikkim is often called the brother of the seven sisters because, although it is a part of Northeast India, it is not geographically connected to the seven sister states. It is India's least populous and second smallest state, known for its breathtaking landscapes, including the Kanchenjunga mountain. Sikkim has a unique blend of Nepali, Bhutia, and Lepcha cultures, making it distinct from its neighboring states. It was an independent kingdom until 1975, when it merged with India as the 22nd state.